everyone, today I'm going to be sharing Malaysian street style stir fried noodles, which is also called Mamak Mee Goreng. First we will prepare the sauce. For the sauce I have in this bowl 2 tablespoon peanut oil, 1 tablespoon ketchup, 2 tablespoon dark sweet soy sauce, 2 tablespoon oyster sauce, 2 tablespoon chili sauce. Combine all these ingredients together well and leave it aside. Boil one medium-sized potato, peeled and diced for about 3 to 4 minutes, then drain out the water and leave them aside. Now in a large pan, boil yellow noodles. I'm using 250 grams of dry yellow noodles, but you can also use pre-cooked noodles from a shop. Boil noodles according to the instruction on the package. I'm going to boil them for 1 minute. After 1 minute, drain out the water and run under the cold water until completely cold. And drain excess water, put them back with 1 tablespoon olive oil or any other oil so they won't stick together, and leave them aside. For the stir fry, I have these 2 chicken breasts, boneless and skinless. Their weight is about 629 grams. Now we will cut them into thin slices. Now in a large wok, heat about 2 tablespoons peanut oil. Add 3 finely chopped shallots, 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Stir in for about a minute. Now toss in thinly sliced chicken. Stir in for about a minute. Now add diced potatoes along with 2.5 teaspoon curry powder. I'm using mild. If you wish, you can use hot curry powder, and fry it for about 5 to 6 minutes until the color is nice and golden. Now add sauce and mix well so all the chicken is covered with the sauce. Our chicken is nicely coated with sauce and reduced a bit. Now toss in noodles and fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes. It's easy to toss the noodles with tongue or both with tongue and spoon. Now add 50 grams sprouts and fry for 1 more minute. Our delicious stir-fry noodles are ready. Now you can garnish them with spring onion, boiled egg, fresh red chili. Put your thoughts of my recipe in the comments box and click on the like button if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. See you soon again in next video. Bye for now. Bye.